Hello guys, and welcome to a new episode. So lately I've been having a lot of people asking me how to rotate and flip a video in DaVinci Resolve. So today I'm going to teach you how to do that. Let's go. Alright guys, so I've already opened DaVinci Resolve here and I've already imported two videos in here already, which we are going to use for today's tutorial. Alright, so I'm going to drag in the first one, which we will be using for the rotating tutorial today. So I'm going to drag that in here, put my cursor on there and try and increase the size a little bit. Okay, I think it's fine. So now our video is in the timeline. Let's play it and see how the video looks like in the timeline. Okay. So we are going to go through how to rotate this particular video, which is very simple. So to rotate this video, you move into the inspector channel. So already I have my opened already, but if yours is not opened, by default you can go up here to the inspector. So right now it's not opened. So when you click on the inspector, then now you can see the span. So to rotate this video, I need to first of all click the video that I want to rotate. Then when you come down from the zoom position, you see rotation angle. So this is the tool that we are going to use for the rotating of this video. So there are two ways that, or there are some various methods that you could use to rotate a video. One is by sliding this pointer on the slide. As you slide it, you can see that your video is rotated. Now, when you use this particular one, it's very hard for you to actually get it accurate. So what you can do is you can click here and type in 180 degrees, which is going to rotate it on a 180 degree angle. And when you want to rotate it on a 90 degree angle, you can also type a 90 degree angle, press enter, and it rotates at the right 90 degrees angle. And when you want to do the same thing on a 270 degree angle, you just have to type 270. So whatever angle that you want to rotate your video, you could just put in that amount and the video will rotate. Now let me click on this returning arrow to undo everything that I've done so far. Now let's take, for instance, you were shooting and the composition you used in shooting your video was a little bit off and you just want to straighten the image a little bit and you want to be very precise. When you want to be very precise with your rotating, this is what you do. You put your cursor above where you input your degrees, click on it and move it a little bit. As you move it, you can see that the video is rotating step by step, not as fast as we saw with the slider. These ones rotate majestically, if I should put it that way. So let's take, for instance, I'm done with it and I like it like this. Now you can see that we have this black line showing, which is something that we don't want to see in our video. We want our video to cover the entire space. So what we can do is go to the zoom and zoom in a little bit to cover up all those spaces, and now we have a nice video covering the entire space of the video space. So guys, this is how to simply rotate a video in DaVinci Resolve. Now I'm going to show you how to also flip a video in DaVinci Resolve. So yes, I'm going to drag in my next video so I can use to teach you how to flip a video in DaVinci Resolve, which is very simple. So I'm going to drag in my video in the timeline. As you can see, this is a video, a drone footage of a beach Yeah, a very nice video. So to flip this video is very, very simple. We are going back into our inspector channel. And when come all the way down, you see flip here. So when you want to flip the video on the horizontal side, you are going to click the first one. And as you can see, my video has been flipped horizontally. And if you want to undo what you've done, you could click on it again and it goes back to the default settings. Now, there's another way that you can also take it back to a default setting. That's if you've already flipped it this way, you can simply click on this returning arrow and it would undo whatever you've done in there. And if you want to flip it on the vertical side, you click this next icon, which is going to flip it on the vertical side. So guys, this is a simple way to flip. As I said earlier, and it's very easy. So on the vertical side, this, and on the horizontal side, this. So guys, that's a simple way to rotate and flip a video in DaVinci Resolve. I hope this video helps. And if you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe and click on your notification bell so you don't miss my future video. Let's go.